Hi everyone, Coach Sale here. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I use my two-hand backhand counter when my opponents are trying to tickle my backhand down the line. Let me show you how it's done using the rebounder from that place. Keep drilling, win more games, have some fun. See you next time.